Hello, everybody. I can't believe it's only 1 year ago that we have presented our new C-Class here in Detroit. Since then, many customers around the world wanted one of these stars of their own. And in order to expand the C-Class universe, we have created 2 new stars you can see here on stage with me. While they have very much in common, each of them has a very distinctive character. Let's start with this one, our C-Class 450 AMG 4MATIC. What does this name tell us? First of all, it's closing the gap between Mercedes-Benz series models with a purely optical AMG Sport package and our purebred AMG cars. And we made this AMG Sport model lineup a very interesting offer because it features a typical AMG design, AMG chassis technology, including a performance-oriented 4MATIC all-wheel drive, and of course, AMG engine technology. But in spite of its powerful V6 engine, it comes with standard consumption of only 7.6 liters on 100 kilometers, a new benchmark in this class. Now, for everyone who likes to see great power combined with even greater efficiency, I recommend this model here, our new C350 plug-in hybrid. It delivers a fully electric range of more than 30 kilometers, or about 18.6 miles. Now, does that mean it's a car for people who like to take it easy? Not necessarily. With a system output of 279 horsepower and a very beefy torque, it's anything but a bore to drive. In fact, we believe that plug-in hybrid cars form a major step toward emission-free driving, at least for the next decade. But don't be fooled. It's not only the hardware that counts, it's also about the software. Take, for instance, our predictive energy management system. Thanks to the information of GPS and radar sensors, it knows the road ahead and can compute a road-based adaptive operating strategy for optimal energy use. I think it's even fair to say we offer our customer the most intelligent hybrid which combines efficiency and performance. Actually, the same is true for our powertrain strategy. We created an intelligent modular hybrid system that meets all our requirements when it comes to performance, comfort, and not least a wide range of applications across our portfolio. And we will put this system to good use in the years to come. Ladies and gentlemen, by 2017, we will offer as many as 10 new models with plug-in hybrid powertrains. That means, on average, we will launch one of them every 4 months. Thanks to our modular hybrid system, we can combine a number of battery and electric motor types with different diesel and gasoline engine, starting with our 4- and 6-cylinder package. They will not only cover our core range, the C, the E, and the S-Class, but you will find plug-in hybrids in our SUV lineup in the future as well. And of course, we'll offer our SUV customer the attractive combination of a plug-in hybrid powertrain with our 4MATIC all-wheel drive technology. As you can see here, we are putting this high-tech drivetrain combination to its last tests before it will debut this year in our upcoming GLE and GLC. And as you will see, our SUV lineup is growing fast. Ola Källenius will now show you how we are creating even more bright new stars for our customers. Ola, the stage is yours.